Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Mint Mongoose. Now, I have two packages this time. I have July and August. I never got around to filming the July one, so I thought I'd go ahead and do both of them in the same video for you. Now, if you're not familiar with Mint Mongoose, it is a monthly jewelry subscription. You usually get about 3 pieces of jewelry, and you do set a profile based on metal tone that you prefer. Do you want earrings, no earrings, bracelets, no bracelets, things like that. Now, they also have you have an opportunity to add on to the subscription with other items that she offers, and she always has great sales going on that she will email or text you with. And did I say it's $13.99 a month? It is $13.99 a month. So let's go ahead and see what we have for July. So it usually comes in a mailer, either something like this or padded. So this is for last month. She usually sends a card inside a sealed envelope, and she tells you what the inspiration is for the pieces. Now, last month for July, it was inspired by the value of good relationships and how important they are. So I have already opened the package, so I'll just go ahead and show you the pieces real quick. So the first piece is a long necklace. This one has a pineapple on it. Just trying to show you. There we go. And you can even wear it on the back if you just wanted something plain. And then it has an extension necklace with the Mint Mongoose logo on it. And yeah, this is really cute, and it's nice and long, so you can layer her pieces. And then it comes with a pair of earrings that are just like that, very plain. And then the third piece was this extension. It's magnetic, so you can hook this to any necklace to either extend it or just to have a magnetic closure. Now, she does usually include a piece of candy, and this time she put a pair of socks in my bag, and it is a cute little animal of some sort. What would that be? I know alpacas and llamas are very popular. Not sure what critter that would be, but I still think they're very cute. And then I went ahead and signed up for the $3.99 extra per month for rings, because sometimes I want to wear a ring on my pointer fingers. And so this time I have a little arrow in here. These are not, I don't believe they are sterling silver, but here is the little arrow, and it does have a space so that you can size it if you like. You can pull it wider if you like. But that's my first ring. I don't know how, it's kind of hard to see, isn't it? Over here, there we go. And the second ring, okay. So here is the other ring. It has a pineapple, so it does match the necklace. This might be the third piece. And there you go. Yeah, can't see this one. So I like those, but I did receive something very similar to this. It was either last month or the month before. A long necklace. See, they're very similar. And so I think I'm going to pass one of these along to one of you guys for a future giveaway. And I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers. And when I do, I'm going to have a giveaway, and I'm keeping a few things for y'all. So smash that subscribe button so we can get to 500. Okay, so let's go on to August. So here is my envelope, the card. This month's set is inspired by the pursuit of the simple life. Now I can appreciate that. Let's go ahead and open it. Now usually they come in this nice little mint green paper. Here is my candy. Oh, I really like the ring, and I have another extender in here. Ooh, let's start with the ring. Now again, these are just $3.99 extra per month. I love it. Look at that. I love the would that be like a filigree design? I love this ring. Yes, I'm glad I signed up for that. Okay, so here is the tissue. I'm just going to tear it just like that. And inside she has all the pieces really nicely wrapped and bubble wrapped to protect everything. So I'm going to unwrap these. I'll be right back. All right, so the first piece, I'm excited about this set because I love turquoise. And here is the first piece. Look at the chain. I like how the chain has an interesting design to it as well. And then here is our pendant. Again, it does have the extension chain with the logo on it, and my kitty is very happy that I'm playing with chains. She's having fun over here. I'm going to go ahead and put this on real quick. There we go. These do fall. That's one thing I don't like about the extension chains is they fall forward as you're wearing them, so you've always got to put it in the back. So that's one thing I don't like about the extension chain, but a couple of little pairs of pliers, and if you find that you wear it here at this length all the time, then you might as well go ahead and take the extra off. Now the earrings. I really like the earrings. Little bit of a problem though. Wait. As you can see, one of the little stones fell out. And I do have it. And I do have glass and bead jewelry. So I can easily, just like that, just put a little bead in there and fix it. So I'm not too worried about that, but let's go ahead and put this one earring in so we can see what it looks like. So there is that earring. I really, really like these. I really like turquoise. It matches everybody's skin tone. It matches a lot of clothes that we wear, and I'm happy with this set. And like I said before, I have glass and bead glue, and it's just a matter of putting that in there. I'll have to try and get that one out, and then, yeah. So that is July and August for Mint Mongoose. I'm really happy that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.